I'm John, and she's
I am Trudy.
Trudy Henderson. And this is Angel, our puppy. We had the panels installed September of 2019. How long it took to get the whole process done probably spanned 7 to 10 days. They installed the panels, to my recollection, in just about 2 days, because they had a nice fishing machine that took the panels up to the roof. By the time it was all done and completely finished, and the rec meter installed, etc., it was probably spanned 7 to 10 days.
I don't think we were displeased about anything that happened. We were very pleased with the whole process. They were very neat. They didn't scatter. Sometimes you have workers and they scatter things in the yard, and you have to go back and pick up after them little pieces of things that are cut off or moved around. And it was very painless and exceptionally efficient.
They have a good team, a multifaceted, multi-layered team, and they seem to hand off the responsibilities very efficiently. There was, follow-up people and painters, and they painted ducks and all sorts of things that all happened just like they told us it would. We're old enough and experienced enough to know that reliability is really important. I point to the roofing business. Roofers come and go just rather rapidly, and I suspect that's going to already be happening with solar companies. So it's important for us to find a company that was going to be there down the road. And since it's already, according to my research, been in business for approximately 22 years and done some major governmental projects, we were comfortable that they would meet that criteria of reliability.
And in addition, we're very committed to using local businesses. And so that's one of our decision factors. I think we're confident we made the right decision in doing it and with whom we did it.
Exactly. In fact, once we got that first $8 bill, we said to ourselves, why did we do this so much?
Man, this was a good thing we did, yeah. I think the sun's going to be here for quite some time yet, and I am not worried, and I don't think I will ever be worried about whether we'll have enough power with this system.